Hey folks, Josh here. I just wanted to point something out to you all. I'm out here at a customer's house. After we had cleaned their roof, we came back here to do a follow-up. And I just wanted to show you, if you can see that line that's up there on the roof right there. There was another one over here that we sprayed before I got a chance to get up there and get a nice real close look at it. And basically what happens is, if you have anybody come into your house and they are telling you they're going to clean your roof, and that one of the ways they're going to do that is to get up on your roof and sit on the peak and raise and lower some kind of rinsing device up and down your roof, whether it's done from a ladder or it's done from the top of your roof, just say no, okay? Because what happened is, when they ran that device down the roof, now this roof was really nasty when we first came here. That was another thing. They didn't actually clean it and it didn't last very long. You should get at least 5 years out of a roof cleaner before you have to worry about doing anything with it. But this roof wasn't done that long ago. It was in really rough shape. So it was one of those things that would be really hard to see until after the cleaning. But anyway, above these two peaks right here, they had lines like that one right there. And basically that apparatus that they're using to lower down the roof is too high of pressure and it's damaging the roof. So what happened is they removed the granules going all the way down the roof, and there's nothing that can be done about it at this point. So as everybody knows, it's a pain in the butt after anybody damages anything as far as a contractor goes. You almost have, they almost have no liability. So as far as roof cleaning goes, make sure that they're trained and certified. There's about 6 of us here in Virginia that are trained and certified in roof cleaning. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us or give us a phone call and talk to Abby. She'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have. But that's just FYI, okay? There is no government regulation on roof cleaning. Anybody can do it. Anybody can knock on your door and tell you they got 30 years of experience, and there's really nothing you can look up or anything like that to verify anything other than if they are trained and certified, okay? So just keep that in mind and pass it along. Have a great day.